Your vehicle is equipped with the rain-sensing auto wiper system. The system automatically turns on the wipers and adjusts the wiper speed depending on rainfall and vehicle speed. This is the lever used to control the wiper system. To set the rain-sensing auto wiper system, make sure the ignition switch is in the on position and then push the lever down to the auto position. To increase or decrease the sensitivity of the rain sensor, rotate this knob. Be aware that even if it starts to rain, the wipers may not begin to function if rain is not directly hitting the rain sensor. To turn the system off, push the lever up to this position. For constant wiper speed, pull the lever down to the low or high position. In conditions of mist or light rain, push the lever up to mist and you will get a one-sweep operation of the wipers. To clean the windshield, pull the lever toward you and hold. Washer fluid will spray and the wipers will automatically sweep several times. The wiper then will operate approximately once every 3 seconds for a period of time in order to remove water or washer fluid that has dripped on the windshield. The de-icer is used to remove ice when a wiper is frozen to the windshield. To use the de-icer, start the engine and then touch this key. It will illuminate and operate for a period of time. To turn it off manually, touch the key again. To operate your rear windshield wiper at a preset intermittent speed, turn the knob on the end of the lever to intermittent. For continuous operation, turn the knob to the low position. Turn the knob to the off position to turn the rear windshield wiper off. To clean the rear window, push this lever forward and hold. Washer fluid will spray and the wiper will automatically sweep several times and stop. To put the rear wiper in service position, turn the ignition off and quickly push the lever forward 2 times. The rear wiper will take the service position. To return the wiper to its original position, push the lever forward. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.